Hi Cyrus, do we got the robins living in the ocean's helmet?
Yep.
Yes. And where's Mommy Robin right now?
In the nest.
In the nest, yes. Right there. I don't get this camera. Shouldn't stay blurry like that. But yes, there she is. I put some bugs on the side of the nest. I got a couple right there.
Do they eat flies and mosquito hawks?
Yeah. I just put it on the edge of the nest and Mommy comes back and eats it. She lets me get pretty close, but she doesn't like me. Oh, there she goes. It's right there.
Dad, the baby bird is
the baby bird's sticking its little head up. Get off the car, please. There they are. I'm going to put the little buggy right here. Mommy will eat it and then feed it to the babies. There they are. They're all snoozing.
I usually stand on this so I can see the baby birds there.
Yeah, I'll show you this. I'll let you come up and look. Anyways, they're all doing great. They will be free in another couple of weeks, I would imagine. Oh, they're really snoozed out, but they're getting big quick. Anyways, bye-bye for now from the helmet cam, or the helmet nest.